Once there were two groups of people, the Bunny Jarl and the Warrenuna. They were family and they lived in one camp. The Warrenua worked very hard. They always gathered food, even when there was already enough. They did this so that they would have enough later. The Bunny Jarl did not think about the future. They wasted their time playing. They never thought about getting enough food for later. One day the Warrenuna said, "Come out with us. We are going to gather honey from flowers. Soon the winter winds will blow the flowers away. Then there will be no more honey to gather." "No," said the bunny Jarl, "we have something to do here." And off they went, wasting their time. They knew that the Warrenuna would share their honey with them. The Warrenuna went alone and left the bunny Jarl to waste their time. The Warrenuna gathered the flowers and stored the honey, and never more went back to live with the bunny Jarls, for they were tired of doing all the work. As time went on, the Warrenuna were changed into little wild bees, and the lazy bunny Jarls were changed into flies.